Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to find trade URL on Steam. Steam URL is a unique link that people can use to view your Steam inventory and send trade requests. To find trade URL on Steam, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.steampowered.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Steam. Now first you need to make sure that you are logged into your Steam account. After you log in, here you can see your username on the top. Click on your username. Then here you can see inventory option on second last. Click on inventory. Now here you'll be able to see your item inventory. Now here you can see trade offers option on the right side. Click on trade offers. Then now here you can see who can send me trade offers option on the right side. Click on who can send me trade offers option. Now here you need to scroll down. Then here you'll be able to see your trade URL on the box. Now you can copy the trade URL. You can use this unique URL with your other Steam users to allow them to send you a trade offer even if they are not your friends list. You can share this URL anywhere, including a third-party trading sites and Steam community groups. Now, after you copy the URL, you can also create your new URL. For that, click on create new URL option. With that, you'll be able to create new URL. This is how you can find trade URL on Steam. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.